warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to this English class where we will learn to explore and make learning exciting. Hari ini kita akan mempelajari topik yang sangat menarik. Why is it interesting? Because every day we meet and talk about people around us like our father, our mother, and our best friend, even our teacher and a classmate. We will describe how they look, how they act, and what makes them special. Kita akan mempelajari, mendeskripsikan penampilan mereka, sikap mereka, dan hal-hal yang membuat mereka menjadi pribadi yang istimewa. Have you ever tried to describe your father's kind personality? Pernahkah kalian mencoba menggambarkan kepribadian ayah kalian yang baik hati, or your mother's beautiful smile atau senyum indah dari ibu kalian? What about your best friend? Do you know how to describe their looks and personality in English? Nah, bagaimana mendeskripsikan penampilan dan kepribadian dalam bahasa Inggris? In this lesson, you will learn how to describe people not just by their physical appearance but also by their characteristic. Bagaimana kita menggunakan kalimat sederhana untuk menggambarkan orang-orang yang kalian kagumi. The better we describe others, the more we learn to understand and respect them. Mari kita mulai perjalanan belajar yang menyenangkan ini, karena semakin baik kita menggambarkan orang lain, semakin kita belajar untuk memahami dan menghargai. In this lesson, you will be able to explain and use a simple vocabulary, and you will be able to describe someone both in speaking and writing. First, let's learn how to describe someone's physical appearance. Pertama, kita akan belajar bagaimana mendeskripsikan penampilan fisik seseorang. In the first part, height. We use verb be to describe height. For example, she is tall, dia perempuan tinggi. He is quite tall, dia laki-laki cukup tinggi. She is petite, dia perempuan mungil. Yang kedua adalah type of hair. When we describe someone's hair, we use have or has. Contohnya adalah she has long hair, dia perempuan memiliki rambut yang panjang. She has long straight black hair, dia perempuan memiliki rambut panjang, lurus dan hitam. How about the body type? Bagaimana dengan bentuk tubuh? We use the verb be to describe body types because they are adjective. Jadi kita menggunakan kata kerja be atau am, is, or untuk mendeskripsikan bentuk tubuh, karena kata ini termasuk kata sifat atau adjective. Nah, contoh kata seperti slim, ramping, chubby, berisi. Dari mengatakan she is fat, tapi she is chubby, dia berisi. She is skinny, tapi she is slim, dia ramping. How about describing skin tone? For describing skin tone, we also use have or has. For example, she has the fair skin, dia memiliki kulit yang terang. Hindari menggunakan kata-kata she has a white skin, tetapi kita menggunakan she has a fair skin, dia memiliki kulit yang terang. Next, he has a dark skin, dia memiliki kulit yang gelap. Hindari menggunakan kata-kata. Next, how about a face? When we want to describe a face, we also use have or has. For example, she has a round face, dia memiliki wajah yang bulat. Next, let's talk about personality. In English, we use the verb be, is, am, and are. For example, like she is kind and friendly, dia baik hati dan ramah. He is honest, dia laki-laki yang jujur. Why it is really important to study about personality? Because describing someone's characters help us show respect and understanding. Karena menggambarkan sifat seseorang itu membantu kita menunjukkan rasa hormat kita terhadap seseorang. So using good and polite words makes our language more beautiful and truthful. Menggunakan kata-kata yang baik dan sopan membuat bahasa kita lebih indah dan bermakna. We don't only learn English, we also learn to become better people through our words. Kita tidak hanya belajar bahasa Inggris, tetapi bagaimana caranya kita juga belajar menjadi pribadi yang lebih baik melalui kata-kata kita. Now, let's get practice for describing people. Sekarang, mari kita berlatih bagaimana mendeskripsikan seseorang. So, look at the picture. What does the pictures look like? Yeah, that's right. She is tall, she has fair skin, and wearing a hijab. Now, let's repeat. She is tall. Kita menggunakan kata bentuk is karena kita menggambarkan tinggi badan. She has a very skin. Kita menggunakan has karena kita menggambarkan warna kulit. Now, it's your time for try describing someone around you. Sekarang giliran Anda, cobalah mendeskripsikan seseorang di sekitar Anda dengan menggunakan bahasa yang sopan. So we have learned a lot today. Jadi hari ini kita sudah belajar banyak hal. We have talked about how to describe people, their appearance, their personality. Kita sudah membahas bagaimana mendeskripsikan orang, penampilan mereka, dan sifat mereka. Okay, you have done a great job. Today, you didn't just practice English, you practice seeing others with kindness and respect. Kamu juga berlatih melihat orang lain dengan kebaikan dan rasa hormat. So, keep practicing dan teruslah berlatih. And always choose word that build, no break. Dan selalulah memilih kata-kata yang membangun, bukan kata-kata yang menyakitkan. See you next time, and remember, sampai jumpa di pelajaran berikutnya. Dan ingat, language is powerful when it's spoken from the heart. Language is powerful when it's spoken from the heart. Bahasa itu berdaya saat diucapkan dari hati. Karena kata-kata yang lahir dari hati bisa menyentuh hati banyak orang. Alright everyone, that's all for today's lesson. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.